Okay, dear children, good morning. Today is our first online class and it is about biology. And our first unit is basics of biology. Alright, so we would be starting with our unit number 1, which is basics of biology. Alright, now before starting this, let me tell you what is biology. Okay, according to our understanding, biology is a field of science. Alright, but what actually is biology? Biology is nothing but study of living organisms. Alright, so biology is studying of living organisms. Now, as we all know, the amount or the number of living organisms on the earth is very huge. Okay, and all the organisms live differently, their mode of nutrition is different, the way they acquire energy is different, the way they grow is different, and therefore biology itself is a very vast subject. Alright, and therefore we have divided biology into three basic areas where so we have divided it into three basic areas where study of plants, study of animals, and study of microorganisms is being done. Alright, now the branch that is related to the study of plants is known as botany. I believe you might have heard these terms. The study of plants is known as botany. The study of animals is known as zoology. I repeat, the study of animals is known as zoology, and the study of microorganisms is known as microbiology. Okay, now these three areas are pure sciences, or we can say botany, zoology and microbiology are the first classification of biology. Alright, now these again are further divided into many different terms. Say for example, botany has many different studies within it. Say for example, mycology. Alright, then we have paleobotany. Okay, then we have horticulture. Alright, then we have bryology. Okay, then we have agronomy. We would be studying each and every terms in detail, children. Like I'll tell you what are the meaning of these terms, but right now just go through these terms. So the study of plants, which is botany, has various different branches, sub-branches, which is known as mycology, paleobotany, horticulture, bryology, agronomy. Alright, coming to zoology, we have various different terms within zoology also. Entomology. Okay, the next one is ornithology. Okay, then we have physiology. Okay, then we have herpetology. All right, now coming to microbiology, we have bacteriology. Then we have mycology. Then we have protozoology. Okay, then we have phycology. Then we have nematology. Okay, and then we have few applied sciences, or a few sciences that are common to kind of all different terms that are related here. Okay, now coming to the common branches of biology, which is common to botany, zoology, or microbiology. Okay, here we would be having anatomy. Okay, right. Anatomy is something that is related to the internal structure of any living organism. Okay, then we have cell biology. Okay, now cell biology is study of cell, the cell, its structure, its components, etc. All right, then we have histology. Okay, now histology is study of tissues. Okay, cell combine, you have learned that cell, different type of cells combine together to form tissues, and histology here is nothing but study of tissues. Then we have physiology. Physiology again is nothing but study of study of different systems. Say for example, study of digestive systems, study of respiratory system, study of nervous system. All right, then we have a term known as taxonomy. All right, now taxonomy is related to how the organisms are named. All right, how scientific names are given to organisms. That branch of that specific study is known as taxonomy. All right, then we have a branch known as evolution. This specific branch talks about how organisms are evolved from their ancestors. All right, then we have a term known as genetics. Okay, genetics is nothing but study of genes. All of you know that each and every organism has its own DNA. All right, and that study is known as genetics. Then we have a term known as biochemistry. All right, now this specific subject is a fusion of two different subjects, that is biology and chemistry. Now let me tell you children that each and every living organism, each and every part of our body is made up of nothing but atoms. All right, they combine together to form different molecules, and then they interact with one another to form different kinds of products. All right, now the study of that particular area of biology is known as biochemistry. All right, then we have a subject specifically for study of embryo, which is known as embryology. Okay, then we have a branch known as ecology. Ecology is nothing but the study of organisms in its environment. Okay, the behavior of organisms is very much related to the environment that they live in, and therefore study of its environment and how the organism interact with its environment is very much necessary, and therefore we have a special branch designed for that specific subject, which is known as ecology. All right, then we have one more subject which is known as morphology. Okay children, now morphology is nothing but the external feature of any living organism. Say for example, if we say human beings have skin and their body is covered with hairs, they have two eyes, a nose, that particular feature is nothing but its morphology. All right, so different organisms have different external feature, external appearance, and external characteristics, which is a form of its adaptation. All right, so we have a separate subject known as morphology, dedicated to its external feature completely. All right, so this is a complete view of subjects of biology. I'm repeating again: anatomy, cell biology, histology, physiology, taxonomy, evolution, genetics, biochemistry, embryology, ecology, and morphology. Children, before this we have studied these three branches: botany, zoology, and microbiology. Okay, so these terms, the second flowchart that we have studied, comes under all these three: botany, zoology, microbiology. Say for example, cell biology जो है, it will come in plant, that is botany also, it will come in microbiology also, it will come in zoology also, and same for all these branches. All right, so this was all about biology ka basics and the branches of biology.